In this video, I'll show you how to download view-only files from Google Drive using a Google Drive extension. First things first, open Google Chrome and navigate to the view-only Google Drive file you want to download. Next, you'll need to install the Document Preview Exporter for Google Drive extension. You can find this extension in the Chrome Web Store. Simply search for Document Preview Exporter for Google Drive and click Add to Chrome to install it. Once the extension is added, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Open the view-only file in Google Drive that you want to download. Next, click on the Document Preview Exporter extension icon in your Chrome toolbar. This icon looks like a small rectangle with an arrow pointing downwards. When you click on the extension, a small menu will pop up with different export format options. You can choose to export the file as a PNG, zipped PNG, or PDF. Select the format you prefer. After selecting the export format, you'll need to specify a file name for the exported file. Finally, click the Export button, and the extension will process your request and download the file in the format you selected. You can now access the previously view-only file on your computer. Remember to respect copyright laws and the terms of service of Google Drive when using this tool.